So I'm going to show you how to create a custom camera filter on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So if you go into the camera app and then you tap on the menu, then tap on the filter option, you can see there are plenty of pre-made filters for you. So you can see different filters which will adjust the way your photos look. But if you look into the filters, you will see there's a settings icon inside the filter. And when you tap on it, you can actually customize things inside the filter. So you can adjust the strength, the color temperature of that particular filter. As you can see, the contrast, saturation, and film gain. And you can adjust all these things, basically just customizing the filter that you already like. Okay. Then once you're happy with it, you can compare with the original by tapping on view original and then letting go, and you can see the difference between the original filter and your customized filter from that particular filter. If you like it, then you can go ahead and tap on the shutter button. So that's basically how you can create a custom filter on your Z Fold 8. Thanks for watching. Good luck.